Hey everyone, and welcome to Satoshi Finance. Today we're diving deep into the world of financial apps and tools. Let's face it, navigating the financial landscape can be overwhelming, and keeping track of your money can feel like a chore. But what if I told you there are awesome tools out there to simplify your finances and help you achieve your financial goals? So, get ready to discover helpful apps and software that can help you create realistic budgets and track your spending effectively. Invest your money and build wealth over time. Organize your receipts and track business expenses effortlessly. Monitor your credit score and make informed financial decisions. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of the best financial apps and tools available, empowering you to take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. Stay tuned. Financial apps are the digital companions revolutionizing the way we manage our money. These powerful tools offer a range of features, from budgeting and expense tracking to investment and credit score monitoring. With just a few taps on your phone, you can access real-time insights into your financial health and make informed decisions about your money. Their emergence marks a significant shift in the financial landscape. FinTech, the intersection of finance and technology, is rapidly changing the way we interact with our finances. Gone are the days of paper-based transactions and limited access to financial information. Today, financial apps provide a convenient and user-friendly way to manage your money anytime, anywhere. So whether you're looking to control your spending, grow your wealth, or simply gain a better understanding of your financial standing, there's a financial app out there designed to meet your needs. Let's explore some of the most popular and effective options available. When it comes to taking control of your finances, budgeting lies at the heart of success. Thankfully, a plethora of budgeting apps are here to help you navigate this crucial step. Popular options like Mint, YNAB, and Pocket Guard offer user-friendly interfaces and a range of features that simplify the budgeting process. Mint, known for its comprehensive approach, automatically categorizes your transactions, providing clear insights into your spending habits. YNAB takes a zero-based budgeting approach, ensuring every dollar has a job and empowering you to allocate your income effectively. Pocket Guard offers a visually appealing interface and real-time updates, helping you stay on top of your finances effortlessly. These apps go beyond simply tracking expenses. They empower you to create realistic budgets, set financial goals, and analyze your spending patterns to identify areas for improvement. Imagine no longer wondering where your money goes. Budgeting apps provide the clarity and control you need to make informed financial decisions and reach your financial goals faster. Personally, using YNAB has been a transformative experience. By assigning every dollar a purpose, I've become more mindful of my spending and have seen a significant improvement in my saving habits. It's truly empowering to see your budget come to life and witness your financial progress over time. Whether you're a seasoned budgeter or just starting out, these apps can be the key to unlocking your financial freedom. For those looking to grow their wealth over time, investment platforms like Robinhood, Acorns, and Wealthfront offer accessible and convenient solutions. These platforms break down the barriers to entry, making investing a realistic possibility for everyone, regardless of experience or investment capital. Robinhood revolutionized the investing world with commission-free stock and ETF trading. Its user-friendly interface and fractional share investing, invest with as little as $1, make it ideal for beginners. Acorns take micro-investing to a whole new level, automatically investing your spare change from everyday purchases into diversified portfolios. Wealthfront, on the other hand, caters to those seeking a more hands-off approach. It uses robo-advisors to create personalized investment portfolios based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. Additionally, Wealthfront offers automated rebalancing and tax loss harvesting to optimize your portfolio's performance. These platforms offer a variety of investment options including stocks, ETFs, and even cryptocurrencies. While some charge fees, others offer commission-free trading or subscription plans with additional features. Be sure to compare fees and features to find the platform that best suits your needs and investment goals. The convenience and accessibility of these platforms are truly groundbreaking. Imagine being able to invest your money anytime, anywhere, right from your phone. This democratization of investment has empowered millions to take control of their financial future and build wealth for the long term. Say goodbye to piles of receipts and messy spreadsheets. Expense tracking apps like Expensify and Receipts by Wave offer a modern solution to managing your business or personal expenses. These innovative tools allow you to seamlessly capture and organize your receipts with just a few clicks. No more scrambling for receipts at tax time or struggling to remember where you spent your money. These apps automatically capture receipt information, categorize expenses, and generate reports, making expense management a breeze. Imagine the convenience of having your expenses organized and accessible, ready for analysis and reporting. Expensify offers robust features for business owners, including mileage tracking, employee expense reports, and integration with accounting software. Receipts by Wave, on the other hand, provides a simple and user-friendly experience for individuals and small businesses, making it easy to track personal expenses and stay on budget. By digitizing your receipts, you not only save time and effort, but also contribute to a more sustainable environment. Gone are the days of paper clutter and wasted resources. These apps offer a convenient and eco-friendly way to manage your expenses, empowering you to be more organized and financially responsible. Your credit score is a crucial factor in your financial well-being, significantly impacting your ability to borrow money, secure loans, and access essential services. Regularly monitoring your credit score is essential to identifying potential issues and taking steps to improve your creditworthiness. Fortunately, credit score monitoring apps like Credit Karma and Credit Sesame make this process easier than ever. These apps provide you with free access to your credit score and report, allowing you to track your credit health over time. Additionally, they offer personalized recommendations and alerts about potential threats to your credit score, empowering you to take proactive measures. Imagine receiving instant updates about your credit score changes and receiving actionable insights to improve your financial standing. These apps enable you to stay informed and make informed decisions about your credit, ultimately leading to a healthier financial future. Maintaining a good credit score opens doors to better interest rates, favorable loan terms, and a wider range of financial opportunities. By utilizing credit score monitoring apps, you can gain valuable insights into your credit worthiness and take control of your financial destiny. While financial apps offer undeniable benefits, security and privacy are paramount concerns. Entrusting these apps with your financial information necessitates vigilance and awareness. Common concerns include data breaches, unauthorized access, and phishing scams. To ensure your safety, here are some essential tips. Choose reputable apps. Research the app's developer, read reviews, and check for security certifications. Enable strong passwords and two-factor authentication. These add layers of protection and make it harder for unauthorized access. Be cautious about sharing information. Avoid sharing sensitive financial data through unsecure channels. Review your account activity regularly. Monitor for suspicious transactions and report any discrepancies immediately. Keep your app updated. Updates often include security patches and bug fixes. By following these security measures, you can minimize risks and ensure the safe and responsible use of financial apps. Remember, it's your responsibility to protect your financial information. Be vigilant, stay informed, and choose apps that prioritize security and privacy. As we conclude our exploration of the exciting world of financial apps and tools, let's recap the key takeaways. Financial apps offer a powerful way to manage your money, budget effectively, invest your savings, and stay on top of your credit score. Popular options like Mint, YNAB, Robinhood, and Credit Karma provide user-friendly interfaces and diverse features to meet your specific needs. Embrace the convenience of digitizing receipts and simplifying expense management with apps like Expensify and Receipts by Wave. Always prioritize security and privacy by choosing reputable apps, enabling strong passwords, and staying informed about potential threats. Now it's your turn. To help you get started, here are some of my top recommendations. For budgeting, YNAB for hands-on budgeting, Mint for a comprehensive overview. For investing, Acorns for micro-investing, Robinhood for commission-free trading. For expense tracking, Expensify for business expenses, Receipts by Wave for personal use. And for your credit score, Credit Karma for free credit score and reports, Credit Sesame for personalized recommendations. Remember, the key to success is to explore the available options, find the tools that resonate with you, and actively utilize them to achieve your financial goals. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. What are your favorite financial apps? What questions do you have about managing your finances? Let's continue this conversation about financial empowerment together. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey through the world of financial apps and tools. I hope this video has equipped you with valuable information and empowered you to take control of your finances. Remember, managing your money doesn't have to be a complex and daunting task. By utilizing the right tools and resources, you can gain clarity, make informed financial decisions, and achieve your financial goals. To further support you on your financial journey, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel for more valuable content on personal finance. Share this video with your friends and family who might benefit from it. Check out the video description for links to the recommended apps and additional resources. I encourage you to start exploring the world of financial apps and discover the tools that best suit your needs. Remember, you have the power to build a brighter financial future, and I'm here to support you along the way. Thank you again for watching. Until next time, stay financially savvy and empowered.